Hello and welcome, one and all, to Essential Tools You'll Use in Your Life. I'm your host, Mr. Phillips, and today we'll be talking about the Pliers set. So, what are pliers? Well, they're hand tools that come in many different shapes and sizes and have many different uses. Pliers are hand tools that are good for gripping, cutting, stabilizing, and even bending all sorts of small things or objects. So, when looking for a plier set, you want to make sure that you look for a set that includes these type of pliers. So, needle nose pliers is very common one. So there's mainly four practical uses you can definitely use in these needle nose pliers in your home. One can be outlet wiring and even switch wiring for your switches and your outlets in your home. Specific types of wire cutting. Now, they're not necessarily designed for wire cutting, but some of these needle nose pliers have a little section toward the bottom of the grips section where you can sort of where you can cut a little bit of wire. Now, they're not really designed for a lot of really heavy duty cutting, but they're definitely useful when you're trying to work inside of an outlet and you're trying to make a little cut and it's hard to reach and get to. That's where these wonderful needle nose pliers come into play. Other things you can use these needle nose pliers for: type of computer repair work, or even crafting. So if you're a big crafter and dealing with small objects like small diamonds or crystals, making jewelry, it's a lot very helpful to use these needle nose pliers. Next one that's good would be diagonal pliers. And diagonal pliers, their main purpose is for cutting. So cutting like heavy duty wires, metal rods, etc. They'll definitely be helpful when it comes to cutting zip ties. Zip ties will be an honorable mention video we'll do later on. Uh, Wire cutting pliers are definitely very useful in your home because they can cut just about almost anything, and you'll definitely use them. Slip joint pliers. These are useful for a variety of household repairs, such as replacing a sink drain basket, either in your kitchen or either in your bathroom. Also good for a lot of auto repairs and even installing hoses. It's also great for gripping and holding materials. Say you're trying to trying to turn a screwdriver, and you're struggling to get that screw in. If you simply attach your slip joint pliers to your screwdriver, it can help provide a little bit more torque. That way you can make the turn if you're trying to unscrew or screw something together. Very useful in your home. And finally, lineman pliers. So these are great for gripping and bending just about almost anything around your home. Great for gripping something that you need to bend to help you hold as you're trying to do some type of sort of random little job. But mainly great for gripping and bending almost any type of material in your home. As far as the origins of pliers goes, some information I found here from vampiretools.com. It's believed that the first pliers were invented more than 5,000 years ago, around 3000 BC, and they were most likely initially made of wood. They, in time, came to be crafted from bronze and then later from stronger materials, including iron and steel. That's from vampiretools.com. Well, that is all for this episode. Join me next time as we discuss the putty knife. See you later, alligators.